Welcome to Lightware Tutorials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add light and Apple TV control to Cisco WebEx RoomKit. So let's dive in. I just need to create my setup based on our first video. So I open up my browser with lightware.com, then navigate to Support Cisco Room Configuration Wizard. Here I select RoomKit and MMX 4x2 HDMI for now, with login as Lightware and Cisco as password. Then I label my sources as laptop HDMI, laptop USB-C, room PC, and Apple TV. Then I make the connection between the Lightware unit and the codec. Finally, I set up a display. We landed at the room control page. Here I select light on off. And for my example, I use P5 relay box to control my lamp via Ethernet on IP number 192.168.1.25. Using the first relay contact. Our light setup is ready. Now I need Apple TV control, so select Media Player, then Apple TV. The Apple TV can be controlled via CEC, so I select it. Then I choose from my source list. I use Apple TV input. That's all for the Media Player configuration. I just go to Download page and export my installation guide. I download my configuration file and the webcom file to edit it later. Following the instructions, I open up Lightware Device Controller and connect to my device. Then go to Control, Events, Import, and select my configuration. The integration just started, so let's see what's happening on the touchscreen. By default we have the call and share icon, nothing more. And in the share screen we have one source element by default. Less than a minute I got the pop-ups about the integration process. After a while, I got the final message about my system is ready to use. So let's see what's the main difference. Now I have room control and media control icons. Tapping on the room control, I'm able to turn on or off the lights. Going back and tapping on the media control, I'm able to navigate on the Apple TV if it's selected from the share screen. So tapping on the share screen, I have all the four configured elements. At first I select the room PC to have it on my screen. We see that our Apple TV has a different icon, which is a media player icon. So tapping on Apple TV, we are able to see the content of the Apple TV on our display. Also, the media control page opens up to enable the remote control for the player. So this is how to add control elements to your system. In the next one, I'm going to show you how to change, add or remove sources in the share screen. So see you in the next one.